Good morning, everybody, and this is your Dow Jones day trade setup for today. So Facebook was pretty much a mess, I think down 25%. And surprisingly, the markets didn't follow, which is very interesting. So it could mean that we do have a situation with Meta or Facebook, and the economy itself is a different story at the moment. So I'm not convinced yet. We are still hovering in this zone that we were looking at yesterday. This is the top of the wedge. As I said yesterday, I'm very reluctant to jump in long up here. I want to see a deeper pullback, and to be quite honest, I'd rather see a break of this wedge and then a form of a bigger channel for us to get excited. One thing is clear. We have got a crossover of the moving averages, and today we'll probably have all three moving averages crossed over. So pullback onto this area would more than likely hold up, and that is 3840. Whether we get there is another story. We are extremely overbought at the moment in the 8 hours, so another reason why I'm pretty reluctant to be jumping in long up here. If we drop down to the 3 hour, oscillators are starting to ease off quite nicely. We are in an upward trend, we know that. And we've just had a bit of a crazy couple of days, last couple of days this week. Sellers coming in off the top, buyers coming in off the bottom here. So trying to force a range. And if it does hold like this, remember we're coming up to the end of the month, so that would be the fourth green week in a row. And then we'd have this massive monthly engulfing bar here. Ignore the noise here on the charts here. But that is a massive engulfing bar that is forming, and you can see that is the monthly previous low that we are looking at here. So just drop back down to our levels, and you'll see this area we're in is a monthly level. So that is why we are all over the place at the moment. So with all of this in the back of our minds, what do we need to look at? So we've attempted to get through this 32,233, which is our monthly level, and two times that we've tried it. I have a concern with the diversions that's formed. You can see price making a high, oscillators making a low, so that is not a good sign. We did come down and test this late in the session yesterday, so could be another retest here. For me personally, I don't like what I'm seeing, so I'd not drop down, but I'd move up to the 3 hour, and I'd start looking for levels on the 3 hour, and that there is probably my most logical one, and that would line up with the bottom of the wedge here. So that would be 31,595 or 31,600 area. That's kind of what I would be looking for, but I think I'm just gonna shut down the charts and not bother with it again this week. Haven't really traded this week, but it's really difficult to trade this kind of mess that you see. And you can see why. We've got monthly levels here, so that is the reason why price is so volatile, trying to get through those monthly levels. Bears trying to force the issue down, still betting on their shorts. This is kind of just it's a mess at the moment. So you can see every session as the US up and then pull back, up then pull back. So yeah, I think for me, sit on hands. I don't trust this level because it was tested late yesterday, well, just before the close, so I really don't trust that level, which means I'd be looking at the next level down. And if you look at this on the 15-minute, that would mean a break below the moving averages, and I don't really anticipate anything there. Now, we could have some catalyst that could drive this higher, which means a break and retest of this monthly level, 32,233, end of the week. So we get a weekly close above that level, could be quite telling. And then obviously we just got Monday left in the month. So if we stay above that level on the monthly, that would be quite telling. Then I would expect us to rally a bit, come back and try and find support on this level. So this range is pretty tight at the moment, and I'm not interested in it, to be honest. So we will sit quietly, and we'll pick this up on Monday. I don't think I want to get involved here. Anyway, hope that helps somebody, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow. Cheers for now.